A very good morning to all of you. Today we'll have a request to all watchdogs of consumers and interested in consumers to come prepared with their own views and instructions and suggestions for making a new law regarding misleading advertisements. How to prevent a consumer from these misleading or advertisements. This is the urgent need. When you read the advertisement, you understand that the product will be having a particular quality and also legality and natural content in it, and it is not having any artificial content or nature. But when you use it, and after you purchase and use it, or before purchase, before using also, you will understand and come to know that advertisement contents are quite different to the quality and quantity and other aspects of a particular product. Now, the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, it wants to release a draft regulation aimed at checking for misleading advertisements. So these draft regulations will be informed to one and all the stakeholders, and more so of the organizations which are working as watchdogs in order to protect the rights of innocent or even intelligent consumers, can give their own suggestions or instructions or precautions necessary for protecting the interests of consumers. So we know that there are certain stakeholders in this subject. Out of them, more importantly, the industry watchdog, Advertising Standards Council of India, Consumer and Advertisers, and many others. They are all making their own suggestions. This is stated now recently by Leela Nandan, Secretary Consumer Affairs. She has informed that the regulation for misleading advertisements will be notified after due process of consultations. The draft will be uploaded on the ministry's website. This is the first step towards this. The government will notify the regulations on misleading ads under the Consumer Protection Act, while the Central Consumer Protection Authority will be the enforcing agency. Previously, advertising code, which was in force in earlier, was taking care of all these things, but that was not having a legal backbone. Now, after the amendment of Consumer Protection Act, and the amended act has come into force on 20th of last month. Now there is a need for making the institutions which are incorporated under the new amended act more powerful for doing justice to the consumers swiftly and within time, and also punish the guilty. So there is already advertising code, but that's not enough. The Central Consumer Protection Authority, which has come into force as per the new act, this will be the enforcing agency. After the regulations are notified, the enforcing agency will definitely protect the innocent stakeholders or consumers. So there is a duty cast on each organization which is advocating or trying to protect the rights of consumers to prepare themselves in respect of how to protect the innocent consumers from these advertisements which are misleading, because the consumer will react to the advertisements at first after going through the contents or reading or viewing a video about the product. So the crime starts by manufacturing a particular product, and then will be an attempt to commit crime by advertising with misleading contents. You can prevent committing of crime by the manufacturers or the persons who are selling the item committing in such way by starting with the inception of crime of advertising with misleading contents. For this there must be a proper rules and regulations. So please exercise your capacity fully now in order to protect the rights of innocent consumers. All the stakeholders, not only the organizations which are the watchdogs till now, but also all others must come forward with their experiences, views, instructions, and discuss on these rules that are going to be framed, and then basing on that, after consultation with all the stakeholders, the Consumer Ministry, Central Consumer Ministry will definitely make a good law which will protect the rights of consumers. Wish you all the best. Please be ready for my next video where we will discuss about what are the steps to be taken for protecting the rights of innocent customers. All the best.